How to add a work on Facebook. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel. So let's start. First you will just go to your Facebook, then open it, and after this go to this three line and go now to settings. Then you will go to profile information and click on work. Click on it and now add a work. Like for example, I work on for example daily graphic, and then like we'll write here the job title and the location and describe your work here. And that's not like important. If you don't want to do it, just later it, and when you finish click save. And right now when I will go to my profile, I will saw my I have that I work on this company, for example. And that's it. I hope this video is useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and see you next video.